How to choose a bandsaw blade for wood. When ordering a bandsaw blade for wood, it's important to know which parameters are crucial for selecting the right one. The basic parameters include the blade length, the blade width, the tooth size, and the tooth shape. In this video, we explain these details in depth, show you where to find them, and advise you on how to choose the blade that will best fit your work. How to determine the bandsaw blade length. The length of a bandsaw blade depends on the type of your machine. If you don't have it written down, you can't find your bandsaw's manual, or you've lost the label that usually comes with the blade, don't worry, we'll show you how to easily measure the length yourself. Measuring a broken blade. Take the broken blade, lay a measuring tape along it, and measure its length. Measuring a welded blade. Place the blade on the floor with the weld at one end. Mark the spot next to the weld. Roll the blade along the floor until the weld appears again. Mark the second spot, and measure the distance between the marks. Measuring with a string. Set the guide wheel of the bandsaw to the middle position. Wrap a string around the outer circumference of the wheels, and determine the blade length by measuring the string. However, this method isn't very precise, so we'd recommend it only as a last resort. What is the correct bandsaw blade width? Your wood saw likely allows the use of several different blade widths. The range of widths is specified in your saw's manual. Generally, if the diameter of your saw's wheels is 350 millimeters or less, you should not use blades wider than 13 millimeters. So how do you choose the correct width? That depends on the radius you want to cut. This table will help you roughly determine which width is suitable for which radius. Which tooth size should you choose? The tooth size is selected according to the height of the material being cut and the desired finish quality. The smaller the TPI number is, the larger the tooth will be. Large teeth. These sizes are used for large diameters and for rough, fast cuts. These blades are suitable for longitudinal cutting of soft and green wood. Medium teeth. These sizes are used for general cutting and are the most commonly used. These blades are suitable for both longitudinal and cross cuts, offering the best balance of speed and cut quality. Fine teeth. These sizes are used for fine cutting where a high-quality finish is required. These blades are mostly used for plywood and panel materials. What does the TPI unit mean? TPI stands for teeth per inch and indicates how many teeth are present on 1 inch of the blade. Which tooth shape should you choose? What do the markings regular, skip, and hook mean? The tooth shape is designed to cut a specific type of wood as effectively as possible. Regular. This is the standard tooth shape with a 0 degrees rake angle. It is suitable for both soft and hardwood. These blades are used for cutting thinner materials, so they are available only in finer pitches. They offer smooth and clean cuts. Skip. This type features a geometry where every other tooth is absent. The rake angle is 0 degrees for a smoother, less aggressive cut entry. These blades are designed mainly for softwood and are suitable for productive cutting and rough cutting of material. Hook. This geometry has a hook-shaped tooth with an aggressive 10 degrees rake angle. Therefore, it is ideal for cutting hard or difficult to cut larger wood pieces.